All right, what's up, y'all? What's up? So, new week. We'll start off with looking at the news, and then we'll go through the pairs that I have to share with y'all for this week. Not really seeing a lot in the markets this week, to be honest with y'all, as far as my strategy. So this week might be a real light week for us. I do have a few pairs that to me look really, really good. So out of those pairs, I will show y'all those for this week. But this week looks like it's going to be a light week for us. As far as news for this week, we really don't have too much going on except for Wednesday and Thursday. So Wednesday, y'all have USD CPI and entity inflation, and then USD on the Thursday for core PPI. So outside of that, I'm not really too concerned on news for this week outside of Wednesday and Thursday. So DXY, same thing that we were looking at last week was basically overall a movement towards the downside. What I'm looking at right now is for price action to either be making a correction right now, so impulse correction, and then a continuation towards the downside. Worst case scenario is that we come back up, take this high, and then drop. I really think that we're just going to do this small correction, but if somehow, some way it wants to go back up here, which I really don't think it will, but it can, um, then we'll be looking for the same sell entries in this box for the DXY. And this would actually present really, really, really good opportunities for a lot of DXY pairs just across the board. So if it does somehow come back up here, we will be definitely looking to trade more DXY pairs. For this week alone, I'm going to try to go light on the DXY just in case it does want to come up. I don't want to be taking too many DXY pairs and end up taking an L. I'd rather just take one L or two at max. And then when it comes back up here, I'll be retaking those same trades along with more dollar trades as well. So that's kind of how I'm looking at the dollar this week. Overall, again, I'm expecting price action to either respect this area right here and drop or become and equal out at these highs and then drop. So one of those two areas are the areas that interest me for the DXY for this week. Also, for those of y'all that are new to the stream, make sure y'all are subscribed and hit the like button for me. That really does help as far as for the videos and stuff, and gladly appreciate it. It's pretty much the only thing I ask from y'all. I'll drop y'all these free trades, help y'all make money, and y'all just literally like the videos and drop a comment. So, Euro USD. Um, So same thing as with the DXY, right? Either we're going to respect this current zone right now, which we're in a very significant area, and we could be going ABC and then a movement towards the upside, or somehow, some way we actually sweep the low and then go towards the upside. So same thing with the DXY. If we do get the actual movement now, then you'd expect your USD to go up now. And then if it does not, then you'd expect your USD to sweep the low and then go towards the upside. Either way, I want you guys to be focused on a bullish bias this week for Euro USD overall. And I also want to share with y'all USD CHF. And quick note, the flip challenge will be starting. Most likely, I'll cut it off on the 20th. So y'all literally have like 11 days to get registered. After that, I won't be accepting any more people to this round of the flip challenge. So pretty much, I'm allowing everybody to join completely for free. All you need to do is deposit $200 in your account, which that's what you're going to be using to trade for the flip challenge. And I'm going to try my best to help y'all make at least 5 to 6 figures before we look to stop the challenge. So I'm going to try to help y'all turn 200 into 5 to 6 figures. So that will be starting officially March 1st. We have went ahead and dropped a kind of a pre-flip trade already in the group. So if you're already in there, then you're already able to potentially start making some money. I will be closing off registration on the 20th just because I can't have too many people doing this on my broker. It's not going to end well, especially if I have too many people making 6 figures, et cetera, et cetera. It's just not going to end well. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I definitely don't want, a crazy amount of people making 6 figures plus, and then it's going to be problems with the broker having to pay out millions of dollars. So it's just not ideal. So I will have to cut it off. But that's going to be for y'all. If y'all are interested, just shoot me a message on Telegram at FXKTrading code. Our Telegram information is in the description along with the chat room information. You can comment in the chat room if you are interested, and then I will shoot you guys the information. All right. So last trade that I have this week that we are currently active in and continuously being patient on is USDCHF. So we took this one last week towards the end of the week. I did post this in the chat room as well. So that's the benefit of being in the chat room. I did not post this, I don't think, on you guys' video last week because it came, I think, during the week, if I'm not mistaken. But again, if you're in the free chat room, which the link is down below in the description, then you would have seen this trade. So we are actively in this trade. I do not expect it to actually come up here and take these highs. I expect it to respect the area that it's in right now, which is the last area I want to see it hold in. We do have an OB here, and we could come to the top portion of the OB to equal out on the highs before heading towards the downside. Now, the thing with USDCHF, worst case scenario, if it does come up to take the stop, that means it's going to go up to sweep this high. Same thing with EURUSD and the DXY, right? It's going to go up, take that high, and then we'll be looking for that same decline back to its downside. So if somehow, some way, this takes us out, we will be selling this again once it comes up here all the way back down with a better risk to reward. So that will be USD CHF. That's the full game plan for this one right here. So as of now, just continue to be patient. For those of y'all that are new to watching the video right now, once market opens, you can enter this one with us, and you would have essentially a better entry than us. Just use the same stop loss information and the same target information, and you guys should be good to go. Outside of that, I don't have really much else for y'all this week. Again, it's going to be pretty much a light week. So that's it, man. If y'all have any questions, y'all can drop them in the comments below or shoot me a message in the chat room community, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as I can. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's trading week, and I will catch y'all on Wednesday. Also, for those of y'all that are new, so we're doing 2 streams a week now. So it's going to be on the weekend, either way, Saturday or Sunday. It can drop either day. And then we'll be doing a midweek stream, which is going to be of updates and potentially anything that I need to share with y'all on Wednesdays. So just stay tuned for Saturdays, Sundays, and Wednesdays. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss out on any videos. And make sure y'all are in the chat room, which the link is down in the description. That way y'all don't miss out on any updates. So if I give y'all another update on this trade, if we decide to close it out early, whatever the case may be, that update is, if it's before Wednesday, that update is going to go in the chat room. So if y'all are not in the chat room, you're going to literally miss out on the update. So make sure you're in the chat. Outside of that, I will catch y'all later. Peace.